Hey, hi guys. Hope you're doing well, but when it comes to calligraphy papers, most of us don't do well. But that's okay because we learn with experience. Now, today I have something similar for you guys. Today I'm going to unbox a lot of papers sent to me by Art Launch. So, in case if you want to purchase any of these, you can contact them through their website or Instagram handle. I'll be mentioning these both in the description box down below. Now, before we get started, you should know that these papers are not my recommendation yet. Maybe in future, who knows? I'll probably make separate video for that. Now this is just an unboxing video, but yes, we are going to talk about the different kind of paper surfaces in general. So without any more delay, I'm Abhay, you're watching Abhay Calligraphy. Let's get straight to it. Alright, so here is the box and it is indeed nicely packaged. I'm just going to pop this open quickly and let's see what else do we have inside. Okay, so here they are, all wrapped in bubble wrap. This is indeed some nice packaging work from Art Launch. Well done, guys. And this, yes, it is heavy, and ooh, there are a lot of papers, and it feels really good when it comes to papers. I'm too excited right now to find out what all kind of paper do we have inside. So I'm just going to quickly remove this bubble wrap, and let's just find out quickly. All right, let's do that. Alright, so here are all the papers, and the first one up is an Art Essential watercolor paper. So this is an A5 size 300 GSM fine grain sheets, and there's also 100% cotton paper. So I'm just going to remove this plastic and let's see how this paper actually feels like. Alright, so here goes the plastic. And yes, it's a bit of a textured surface. I hope you guys can see it. The paper is quite thick as well since it is 300 GSM paper, and if you are someone like me who loves to use the Pilot parallel pens, you are going to love this paper. I always prefer textured surface to write on, and yes, I love this one. And if we talk about the pricing, this pad of 12 sheets costs rupees 265. So in case if you want to purchase that, you can contact Art Launch. Alright, so I'm just going to put it aside and let's try another one. So this is a drawing paper from the same brand, Art Essential, and this is an A4 size paper and 180 GSM fine grain sheets. So yeah, let's see this paper as well. Let's pull one sheet out of this pack. Okay, so this paper has a bit of texture as well. I hope you can see that. And if you are doing broad edge calligraphy or hand lettering, then this paper can be good. So the set of 10 sheets of this paper costs rupees 105. So I think it's pretty good deal, but I still have to check this out. Now that's it about this paper. Now I'm going to keep this aside and let's pick up this paper. This is a calligraphy paper from the same brand, Art Essentials, and this is an A4 size paper, 120 GSM extra smooth paper. And as the cover page of this paper suggests, it can be really good for pointed pen calligraphy. So let's see how smooth this paper is. I'm just going to pull one sheet out of this packet and let's see. Alright, so here is the sheet, and I must say this is really smooth, although it's not as thick as the previous two papers that we checked, but this is really smooth, which is suitable for pointed pen calligraphy and the brush pen calligraphy. So if you are someone who does a lot of these kind of stuff, then you might want to check this out. This is really nice paper, and I have to spend some more time with all these papers in order to check them out really good. Maybe I can give you a little review later on. So a pack of 10 sheets of this kind of paper costs 310 rupees. Alright, so that's it in this paper. I'm going to keep it aside, and let's pick up another paper. Let's see what do we have next. Okay, so next up we have Strathmore calligraphy paper. So this is a 400 series 75 GSM paper. I guess it's probably thinnest of the lot, but since Strathmore is a really established brand, it offers amazing calligraphy paper, so I'm getting my hopes a little high. So this is a set of 50 sheets, and I'm just going to pull off this plastic and let's see what do we have inside. Alright, so here is the paper, and let's see. Okay, so it is neither that smooth nor that rough. It is somewhere in between. Whatever we have seen till now, it's somewhere in between. Okay, so I again prefer this kind of paper for broad edge calligraphy, but I have to really check if it is being able to hold the ink. But since it is Strathmore, probably it will be able to do that. So it's good that it's here. It's love to have a few options, and I'm definitely going to try this out. And the price of this Strathmore calligraphy paper, this costs 440 rupees. Okay, so that's it from this paper. Now let's pick up another one. Okay, so this is Rhodia. Now if you are into world of calligraphy, then you may have already heard of Rhodia. It makes really nice, amazing calligraphy papers and are widely recommended across the globe. Okay, so yes, it can be a bit expensive, and while we are on this topic, let's discuss the price of this as well. So this costs 840 rupees. Okay, so I don't know what the kind of paper this is right now, but let's check that out. So I'm just going to remove the plastic here, and okay, quite satisfying. And you can instantly feel how premium this paper is. So this has a velvet kind of touch to this cover. This feels really premium and expensive. So this is 90 GSM paper, and as mentioned, this is a vellum paper. Okay. So these are off-white sheets. These are not exactly white, and these are pretty smooth, and yeah, it can go with both broad edge calligraphy and the pointed pen calligraphy. Alright, so that's it about the Rhodia paper. I can't wait to write on all these papers. It's like paradise for me. Okay, so now let's pick up another paper. So this is Archie's calligraphy plain paper. So don't confuse it with another brand of similar name, Arches. You may have heard of Arches MBM, Arches Aquarel paper, but this is Archie's. I'm just going to peel off the plastic and let's see the kind of paper that we have inside. So this is a 120 GSM paper, and this pad has 50 sheets. This is a white colored sheets, and these are really smooth again. So this can go with the broad edge calligraphy and as well as with the pointed pen calligraphy, not a problem. And if we talk about the pricing of this pad, so this costs 2095. So yes, the calligraphy paper can be really expensive as well. Okay, so that's it about this Archie's calligraphy plain paper. Now I'm going to pick up the last pad that we have, and this is from a brand called Lana. So this is Lana calligraphy paper, and this paper is 250 GSM paper. So this is bigger than the regular A4 size paper. The actual size is 24 cross 32 centimeters, so yes, definitely it is bigger than the A4 size. And I have removed one layer of plastic, but we have another layer of plastic on, so I have to remove that as well in order to check the quality of the paper. And the price is mentioned on this paper, it is 1075. So I'm just going to remove the second layer of plastic as well. Let's do that. And there you go. So the plastic is coming out. That's it. So here's the pad. Let's open this pad up, and wow, you can see how smooth this paper is. So again, this is a really thick, nice paper which is suitable for both broad edge and pointed pen calligraphy, and you can do all sorts of experiment on this kind of paper. So that's it in this video, and I hope you liked the quick unboxing and first impression of all these calligraphy papers. Special thank you for Art Launch for sending all these papers to me. Let me know for which paper you want me to put the detailed review first. Follow me over Instagram for more calligraphy related videos and tutorials, and for your daily dose of calligraphy. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more calligraphy related stuff. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe. Peace out. Bye bye.